Good day, ma'am. We would like to present the appreciation of gurus and their contributions. The objective is to develop an appreciation for the insight, wisdom, and forward thinking of major quality pioneers such as Edwards, Deming, Joseph Juran, Philip Crosby, Armand Feigenbaum, Kaoru Ishikawa, and Genichi Taguchi. So let's start with Edwards Deming. Emphasized continuous improvement through systems thinking, statistical analysis, and leadership responsibility. His teachings helped rebuild Japan's post-war industry and transform global management practices. So his contributions is systems thinking. Deming believed that organizations must be seen as systems where all parts work together toward a common aim. Success requires cooperation rather than competition within the organization. So this is his examples of 14 key points by Deming. So the 14 points for management guidelines like creating constancy of purpose, driving out fear, breaking down barriers between departments, and adapting continuous improvement. So Joseph Juran. Joseph Juran was born on December 24, 1904 to February 28, 2008. Was a Romanian-born American engineer, management consultant, and author widely regarded as one of the fathers of modern quality management.
How Joseph Juran philosophy seeks to provide change within the current American management system. Joseph M. Juran, proactive defects prevention, replaces reactive fix-it-later approaches via his quality planning framework embedded customers' need into design process upfront to cut recall warranty. Cost 1980s US manufacturers reduce post-launch failures by integrating user feedback earlier. Second, leadership ownership shift quality from technical teams to C-suite strategy sparking chief quality officer rules in 1990s by mandating executives set targets and cross-functional alignment. 3. High-impact problem solving uses the 80 to 20 rule to focus on top 20% of causes. US healthcare cut patient wait times by targeting scheduling bottlenecks instead of incremental workflow tweaks. 4. Financial justification, cost of quality classification, failure appraisal prevention gives executives hard data to fund prevention investments, countering the myth that quality raises expenses. Armand V. Feigenbaum. Armand V. Feigenbaum, April 6, 1920, November 13, 2014, was a renowned American quality control expert and a businessman widely hailed as the father of Total Quality Control, or TQM, which laid the the foundation for modern total quality management TQM. Armand V. Feigenbaum pioneered TQM's total scope, redefined quality from technical inspection to across functional strategic priority. Every department integrates quality work, not just QC teams, via his 1951 Total Quality Control books.
Armand V. Feigenbaum. Hidden plant concept quantified 20 to 40% of factory capacity wasted on defects or rework, pushing TQM to prioritize prevention over reactive fixes. Actionable quality cost framework categorize cost into achieving quality and poor quality to justify quality investments to executives. Kaoru Ishikawa is born on 1915, died in 1989, a Japanese quality management legend and key TQM architect. He adapted Western models into Japan's cross-functional customer-focused CWQC framework, a global TQM precursor. Kaoru Ishikawa is the one who created the fishbone diagram, a staple TQM tool for mapping problems to 6 core root categories. And this is the fishbone diagram. We can see the 6 roots here from the head, the problems, and the 6 M's, the manpower, method, machine, material, mother nature, and measurement.
Kaoru Ishikawa launched grassroots quality circles, voluntary frontline teams to drive grassroots defects fixing innovation. Kaoru Ishikawa democratized basic quality control stats training for non-technical staff to enable universal data-driven improvements. Genichi Taguchi, January 1, 1924 to June 2, 2012, a Japanese quality management expert whose ideas significantly influenced TQM. Genichi Taguchi shifted TQM focus from post-production inspection to upfront product or process design defect prevention via Taguchi methods. Genichi Taguchi created the quantifiable quality loss function to measure social or financial costs of deviating from target quality for data-driven prioritization. Genichi Taguchi designed simplified statistical tools for non-technical teams to test design improvements, broadening TQM's organizational reach.